In the heart of Bluffton, South Carolina, a vision came to life. This homeowner, a contractor with a passion for design, dreamed of a kitchen for his family that was as functional as it was stunning. What was once a dated, tucked-away space is now bright, open, and filled with thoughtful details. A sleek waterfall island grounds the room, framed by a white cabinetry and warm brass accents. Smart storage solutions, under-counter lighting, and a farmhouse sink overlooking the backyard bring both beauty and practicality. This transformation was so remarkable it earned Best in Innovation of Space and highest degree of difficulty at the Lighthouse Awards. But the real reward? A space where memories will be made for years to come. At Kitchen Design Solutions, we're honored to be a part of that journey, helping homeowners bring their vision to life, one kitchen at a time.